Okay, so take a look at this. At first glance, it seems pretty simple, right? Just looks like someone playing a video game running around a super detailed 3D world. But I want you to look a little closer, because what you're actually seeing, it's not what you think it is.
Yeah, the people who made this literally said this isn't a person playing a video game. So, if it's not a human, what in the world is it?
I mean, seriously, if there's no person with their hands on the keyboard or the controller, then what are we watching? What is actually moving that character around?
What we're witnessing here is a totally new kind of player. It's an artificial intelligence. And it's not just playing some simple game. It's navigating virtual worlds that are designed to be every bit as complex and unpredictable as our own.
And this new player has a name, SIMA 2. It's the latest AI agent coming out of Google DeepMind, and it was built from the ground up, specifically for these kinds of interactive virtual environments.
That name, SIMA, it's not just random. It actually tells you everything. It stands for Scalable, Instructable, Multi-World Agent. What that means is it's built to grow, it can follow instructions, and, here's the really important part, it's designed to operate across tons of different digital worlds.
And this is where things get really wild. This is what makes SIMA 2 so different from the AI we've seen before. It doesn't just do one little thing at a time. No, it can handle complex, multi-step tasks. It understands all different kinds of instructions. And get this, you can literally ask it what it sees, and it will tell you. You can ask it what it's about to do, and it'll walk you through its whole strategy. It can actually explain its own thought process.
Okay, so how on earth can it do all that? Well, the secret sauce, the real magic here, is in how it learns. This isn't about someone programming a bunch of moves into it. It's something way, way more advanced.
This really puts it into perspective. On the left, you've got the old way of doing things, AI that's basically a puppet, always needing a human to tell it what to do. But on the right, you've got SIMA 2, an agent that learns, adapts, and actually gets better, all by itself.
So, here's the 3-step breakdown of how it gets so smart. First, it just plays. It learns and develops new skills just by interacting with the world on its own. No human hand-holding needed. Second, it reasons and it improves. It isn't just mindlessly repeating things. It's actively getting smarter with every single game. But that third step, that's the real breakthrough. It can actually apply that knowledge, transferring what it learned in one world into a completely new one.
And that concept is so important. It's a real game changer. I'm going to read this quote directly from the source because you have to hear it. Taking what it learns in one virtual world and applying it to the next and the next, even if it's never seen them before. Just think about that for a second. It's not just getting good at one game. It's learning the fundamental principles of how to operate in any complex space. It's learning how to generalize.
So at this point, you might be thinking, okay, a really smart AI that can play video games, cool, I guess, but so what? Why should I care? Well, because this was never really just about video games. Mastering these virtual worlds is the training ground for something much bigger.
What we're looking at with SIMA 2 is a massive milestone. It proves we can train an AI to handle these super complex, totally unpredictable digital worlds.
But that's not the end of the story. It's a foundational step towards building an AI that can help us with pretty much any task anywhere.
This is the whole point. This is the end game. It's not about making better characters for video games. It's about using these virtual sandboxes to safely train an AI that can one day operate in our world, helping people and adapting to new and unexpected challenges, just like it learned to do in the game.
Which leaves us with one last pretty mind-bending question to chew on. If an AI can learn to navigate and master any world we can possibly dream up inside a computer, what happens when it finally enters ours?